We'll guide you through how to fix fail to send text messages on Android. If you find this useful and it solves your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really frustrating because you're then unable to go and text people. So we're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing in order to go and fix this. Make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss what's going to go and solve it. So without any other further ado, let's get started. So do just make sure with your courier that if you've got a contract that it's active and working, and also do make sure you've got credit. If you know that's the case, then let's go and continue. What you want to try doing is dragging down at the top of your device. This opens up. What you want to do is go and find airplane mode at the top, this airplane icon. Tap it just to go and activate it for a second or two, and then tap it to turn it off. That'll just go and refresh the connections. Then what you can do is come back and go and see if you can then go and send a message. If it works, then great. If it still doesn't, you want to go and find the Messages app, tap and hold your finger on it, and go to the top right and you can press the I. That'll go and bring you here. Come to permissions and just make sure it has got the different permissions enabled. Some people have said that making sure the location is allowed goes and solves the problem for them. So you can go and press allow like so. And then you can go and see if that solves the problem. Next, what you want to try doing is coming into the Messages app, come back. Then you want to go and press your profile icon in the top right. When you do that, you'll see a list of options and you can come down, find Messages settings, find RCS chats. What you can try doing, if this is currently on, try turning it off, confirm the decision. Now, what you can try doing is sending, go and see if it will then go and work. If it does, great. If yours is currently off, you could try turning it on and then go and see if when it's turned on, it goes and works. If it still isn't working, the next thing I'm going to do is go and swipe up and go and find settings. Scroll down and you need to go and find the option for general. As you can see, there it is. Then you can go and scroll down and go and find reset. You want to then scroll down and you can go and find reset mobile network settings. And you can go and tap there and you can then go and press reset settings. Enter in your PIN to confirm it and press continue. Hopefully that goes and solves the problem. If it's still not working, then what you should try doing is text someone else, as it may just be a problem with the person you're texting and they're not going through. Hopefully though, to help this video, you managed to go and solve the problem.